katika eneo lako la ubunge ama katika wadi ama katika kaunti yako.
The county government, that is Mombasa County, has waived the medical bills of 129 patients at the Cons General Teaching and Referral Hospital during the Easter celebrations. The patients were stranded at the hospital after failing to pay their bills despite being allowed to leave. Health officials say the move has reduced overcrowding in wards, with the county urging residents to register with the Social Health Authority to facilitate access to healthcare services.
Wale wote ambao kwamba leo ambao kwamba tayari bili zao ziko tayari na madaktari wamewaruhusu kwenda nyumbani. Hivyo kuanzia sasa hivi mmeanza kushughulikiwa. In the next 10 to 15 minutes ile bili yote sasa imerudishwa kwetu.
We've been feeling so well because the patient have been getting discharged and then they don't go home due to the fact that they cannot actually pay for their bills. But since he started with this project, we've been having a easy time.
This program has actually been a celebration for the social workers because it is actually in our responsibility as social workers to ensure the welfare of the patients. And seeing that we have really needy cases and they get to go home, it's actually something amazing. So I want to say we are so grateful for this program and we hope to see that it's going to benefit more people, those in dire need.